Hey, Claude Pelanne here, Affiliate Starting Line. Welcome. This is part 2 of the Market Samurai Keyword Research Series, and it's about the Add Permutations feature. In video number 1, we showed how you could pick a keyword that had high traffic and low phrase to broad, come in and do a permutation search. In this case, we did it with Drumset Electronic. It returned 6 keyword permutations, and we found one that had great PBR, good search. We confirmed it an exact match, and it still had great search and high PBR, and so we added it to our keyword list. It was not a keyword that appeared in at first, so the add permutations function allowed us to find a keyword that we could optimize for. And parenthetically, I went and checked the competition on it, and it's eminently a keyword that I would go after, and I feel very confident we could make it on the first page with the right SEO on-page optimization and some backlinks. Now, there's another way to use the permutation function, and that is, let's take a look. Let's take a look at low PBR keywords with high searches. Well, here's one that's drum set kits. Let's see, drums kits. I don't like that. That's plural for both. Is there anything here that is attractive with the low? Well, these PBR, anything above 15 is acceptable, and anything below that. First drum set. V drum set, red drum set, the drum set. Interesting here. Buy drums. Let's check buy drums out. So we go to buy drums. It's got high volume, and let's pick it. Let's go with the permutations. We'll analyze them. We'll analyze again. And the permutations don't return anything of any great value. So what you can do in situations like that, if you want to check the situation out better, you keep these 2 seed words as they are, click the Google search keywords, and we're going to see if there's any combination of keywords that comes up. Add it to these. There might be a missing word here that would turn this situation around. And then we're going to click the Analyze. What did I do here? We want to modify. We want to come back in and generate keywords. That's what we want to do. You got to click the right button. And now we've generated a whole pile of keywords based on this buy drums seed, and we want to analyze here, bring back the SEOT and PBR. And let's see if we find something that has some variation of high. Well, we're not getting words that are directly related to buy drums, but we are getting words that could be interesting to analyze, like drum lessons, 100%. Let's go with a high PBR and see what we come up with. High PBR, not Tay drums. That would potentially be something I would look at, because it's still got pretty decent search and 100% PBR, pretty good. Drum set, we already know about that. Drum kits. Let's take a look at drum kits. Is there anything missing in here? I'm going to go back in here to drum kits. Select it. Go do keyword research on it. Do permutations. Do analysis. Again. Well, drum kits is perfectly qualified as a word we'd want to try to optimize for. Let's, you know what I would do in this particular case is come back up to, I'm on drum kits, go to SEO competition, generate it, and see what the competition's like. Now this could be fairly competitive in here, I would imagine. Drums percussion musician friend.com. A lot of backlinks here, indexed, page rank of 4. It's a little more competitive than I would like. There's some possibilities down at the low end here, definitely in position number 9. But it's a little bit too competitive, I mean, to start out with. So I would forget it and keep on looking. Let's go back here to the returns on Drum and see what we find. I mean, here's drum sets, one word, electronic drum kits. All right, now here's a keyword that's made up of our seed, and this is the case in point. It's got a great search, great PBR. It's a derivative of drum kits, electronic drum kits, and that's something that I would definitely add. Let's take it and take a look at it. Go to select it, and let's take a look at the competition. This is a case now where we've added a keyword to our seed of drum kits, generate results, and it's something we didn't see in the beginning. And I would, musiciansbuy.com, I would have to check it out. They've been around 10 years, page rank of 3. They've got a lot of index pages, 157 backlinks to that page. They have 4,400 going to the site, but they're not optimized for that keyword. These guys are not optimized on page. They have backlinks, but you could build up backlinks, I think, in this particular case. Think Geek, Percussion, Amazon. I mean, when you start seeing, I would, this one here is very well optimized all across the board. It would be hard to get position number 1. It could be, if I get optimized by, this is possibility right here. I mean, it wouldn't scare me. So this is an example of how you start with permutations that really don't return anything, and you do a Google search for a keyword. You find a derivative keyword, and you can check it out, and it adds keywords to your list that meet the traffic parameters and your PBRs. And if you check out the competition, you can find keywords that you can add to your list and broaden your traffic, increase your traffic, and broaden your chances of making a profit. So that's it. That's another way to use the Market Samurai keyword search tool, the add permutations feature of it, when the permutations don't return results that you can use. There is another option, and this, I just showed it to you. So that's it. I hope this has been helpful. This is Claude Pelanne at Affiliate Starting Line. Stay with it. Stay well. And if this has been a useful video, give it a thumbs up or give it a good rating, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.